Evening. Oh my God, this evening's a late evening, but nevertheless, I'm here. You know, late evening with my dinner. You know, circumstances, but everything is good. But I still the time out to come and show you guys what I'm eating. You know, whenever I have some authentic food, I have to come and show you guys. So yeah, this is it. I had some oxtail here, some oxtail right here, and I have some rice and peas, and I have some vegetable here. So I'm gonna have this for my dinner this evening. So you just please join the live and enjoy it with me. Alright? Please thumbs up when you come on the live, please. Please subscribe if you not yet do so. Support the thing, people, please. And thanks. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? And the 4,000 watch hour. Please and thanks, alright? Yeah, first and foremost, I don't have to pray for the food, so don't know without Father God, no possible, so we give him thanks, same way again. So Father God, we give you thanks for this food this evening. Father God, we give you thanks for everything you have done for us and what you're about to do, Lord. Bless and sanctify this food in the name I pray, amen. Alright. Yeah, so let's go. You know, first and foremost, let's start with vegetable first. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You know, we now left out the toast and dressing. I love it. Give the give the this thing a nice boots, you know? Vegetable. Nice taste. Thumbs up the live, please. You come on the live. Please thumbs up the live. Please and thanks. Mm-hmm. Please, my people. Join the live. How you all doing? You have a wonderful evening this evening. I was gonna be my family and friends and subscriber. You all have a great day today. Mm-hmm. Please join the live, please. Please and thanks. You know this is what I do. Please and thanks, my people. Please join the live, alright? This is what I do and I showcase my dinner whenever I'm eating some authentic food. Please and join the live. Please thumbs up the live, people. Please. Whenever you join the live, please give me a thumbs up, alright? Thank you all. People. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thousand just to make the vegetable taste so nice. Thousand Island, please and thanks. Thousand Island dressing, my God. They make the vegetable give me a nice taste, you know. Please thumbs up the live, please. What people on here? Hmm? People, thumbs up the live, please and thanks. I'm a little bit under the down moment, you know. Yeah, because I'm a little bit down, people. Yeah, but I have to still come and show you guys my dinner and still come and sit with you and talk with you and enjoy my dinner, alright? Thumbs up the line. Without you guys, I wouldn't have that push to do this, you know, but you guys support me a lot and I give thanks for everything you have done for me. Yeah. Regardless, I'm a little bit down. Reason being my mother passed yesterday. Yesterday my mother passed. I got a news that my mother is died. My mother died yesterday morning. So I'm a little bit down, but I have to still come and show you guys, you know. Thank you for the support, same, you know. Oh, you guys bear with me, alright? You know, when your mother passed, you know, you love your mother so much, and you know, it's like you can't come to term, you know, since she passed, you know, just so sudden, you know, kind of take a toll on my body, you know. I'm just try and deal with it still, you know, because it's really painful and it hurt and everything, but I really just know, say, boy, Father God knows this, and I'll just leave it with him, you know. Yeah. So please join the live, please. Please thumbs up, please and thanks. I'm eating as you can see, I'm eating the vegetable now. Rice and peas and oxtail. Join the live, please. Yeah, my people, as you can see, I finished the vegetable. I'm going to tell you, I still have some sour juice here. Nice sour juice. Yeah. Oh man. Huh? Yeah. Fighting the lettuce to get it on the fork. Please, my people, thumbs up, please and thanks. Asking for the support, please. Although I'm a little bit down, but you know, still the time out to come out here, see me, because you know, love you guys. Please and thanks. You guys know, sir, I have to come out here to bring something to the table, you know. Please thumbs up the live, please and thanks. Please. The people want to ask one question, you know. Because I always a try to, um, always a try to, understand it, but I can't come to terms as, you know, why is it people always tend to say that them if them ask you which month you born, you tell them which month you born, them can't tell you what type of person is or what you do or what you not do. Because many people say, for instance, you're born in January, them can't tell you what January people do. I don't know if that is true because mine born, but I born, I hear people talk a lot about it, bad things and good things, and most of the things that they say, I don't do that. So I'm wondering if it's a true thing. Maybe if it's never true. Please thumb up live, please. If you're not yet, subscribe, please. Wow, Oxtail is so nice, people. Touch the thumbs up button, please, and thanks. Please. You see the nice food that I'm eating, people? No problem. If close by, you can come and get some of it, man. No problem. That's who I am, you know. I love to share. That's my thing. Okay? You can come for someone. No problem. The people, this is good, authentic Jamaican oxtail, you know. Some nice rice and peas with some nice coconut milk. My. Who know them type of food and know what I talk about? Mm. When you eat them food of the people, you don't want to stop. And you can see the texture of the rice, the peas. Some people cook rice and peas and you can barely see the peas in the rice. The rice look like white rice. Look on the texture of the rice, people. Of the color of the peas. You know that go. Not a little troops of peas. Whole heap of peas. Come and believe it. Thumbs up the live, man. This is what I do, you know. I show you guys my food. You guys my food. Authentic dinner. Please and thanks. You guys try out the okra porridge, is it? You know the thing go? Okra porridge. You guys try it out yet? I wish you guys get close by could have taste some of this food, people. I'm not exaggerating, but it's so nice. The ox still well seasoning, you know. Mm-hmm. Well seasoned, my people. Well seasoned to the bone. Mm-hmm. Join the live, please. Join the live. Join the live. Let me support, please. I'm borrowing your support. I'm borrowing your support, people. Mm. When I eat them food, people have to take time to be kind of want it done, you know? Wait, nice. The rice and peas taste like could I eat without the meat. Mm-hmm. I'm telling the people. Join the live. People, I've already me because I don't know. Oxtail name. Mm-hmm. I do like this. Mm-hmm. Of the bone. Mm. Mm. Many people. Mm. 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 People. Mm. I'm sorry about me have to do this. It's not cream, no cream, but it's nice, no? Sorry about that. I have to do it. I have to do it, my people. Mm-hmm. Join the live, people. Join the live, no man. Please and thanks. Subscribe if you not yet do so. Thumbs up, people. Thumbs up when you come on the live. Thumbs up, please. Asking for the thumbs up. Please and thanks. Mm-mm. Whoa. Mm. That's a sad moment, you know. The year I say man a pass. Shot me people, I tell you say shot. Wow. Mess up the whole place. I shot my people, I feel funny in my system, you know. I tell you something, I sleep from the other night, man. I sleep. Bothering me. Mm. Please come up live, please and thanks. Please and thanks my people, please. Behind the live. Hmm? I'm eating oxtail and rice and peas. Some nice vegetable. I already eat the vegetable already. And some nice soil drink here. Mm-hmm. You know, oxtail is so nice. Oxtail is so nice. Mm-hmm. Especially when you prepare it properly. My God. When it well seasoned, my people. Mm. It have a different taste, me telling my people. It give you a, it eats so, I mean, I can't explain how the taste of the oxtail is because it gives you a different kind of taste from, rice there. Rice there. But that's it. Join the live, my people. Join the live, no man. I'm full jar come in with me, no man. I don't know anything, no man. Support the thing, my people. Please and thanks. Support the thing. Please support the thing, man. Mm. Please support the thing, you know. I know say this me though. Showcase my dinner. It's my thing. Everybody do them one thing. Understand people? It's my thing, you know. Showcase my dinner when I eat. You understand? Yes, my people. As you can see, I'm not so hungry, but you know, I do my thing. Mm. Some people, the juice na the cow, na the oxtail bone. My God. Real nice, not them people. Mm. Join the live, please thumbs up the live, please. Bring us some support, please and thanks. Mm. Touch the thumbs up button, please. Luscious, man. Delicious, people. Wow. Nobody now tell me what it is like yet. Every month, I've got to do the individual. You as a person, every month have anything to do with you. And most people say the month have a lot of things to talk about the months. So you're born. Someone know if that is true. Yeah. And my month me born, me people talk a lot of bad things about it, and that's not me. I mean, I want to some people go for. I born the months. You know. I just the mindset of the people. I don't know, maybe just ask questions because I want to know. Maybe just the mindset of the individual. But it couldn't be like one person. It must be a lot of person who can tell you about the month. If one person to be like you couldn't sum up that. I say boy this person is that because he born that month. There will be a lot of person in that same category there. You do things, you know. Thumbs up the live, my people. Thumbs up the live. I'm going on this again, you know. See people? And I do it. Mm. Mm. People, they still taste so wonderful. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. The juice not the bone, my friend. The juice not the bone. Wow. The juice in the bone. Wow, wow, wow. Touch the thumbs up button, my people. Touch the thumbs up button, man. I don't know the thing, man. Out of again on a Sunday evening. Don't know. Yeah, man. I give thanks to the people who join the live already, you know. And support the thing, you know. Thank you, man. When one person come on and support me, give thanks, you know. None no come on, me still give thanks. I just say thing go. It's a preach the love, you know. Check out the live, my people. Check out the live. Please touch the thumbs up button, please. Mm-mm. The people, when I have exaggerate, they still taste like no one stop. Eat it, man. It is a consumer not stop. The gravy is a bomb. The juice not the oxtail. Wow. Mm-mm. People, but no, me I talk about, you know. All who eat oxtail and know how to prepare it. But no, me I talk about. Whereas if you season it up and overnight and make it soak all 1 day or so. Mm-mm. Thumbs up the live, please. Please thumbs up the live. Wow. Real nice people. All you know about oxtail, man, I know me I talk about. When you prepare good, you don't want to stop eating. Thumbs up live, not, you just join the live, people. Please thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribe, please subscribe. Touch the notification bell. When I'm do another video, first to be received it, please. Please and thanks. Press the thumbs up button. Whoa. Even don't want the food done, you know. I want the food done at all because it is so nice. I want it finished, people. Especially the oxtail. Whoa, God. Real nice, people. Real nice. Thumbs up the live, oh. All them nice juicy oxtail. Ooh. Fix up the plate, you know, people. Fix up the plate, you know, cause on the show down, you know. The gravy is too nice to waste, some people. You see me? Ah, thank you. Check it out. A greatness, man. Wish I could have shared my food with my subscribers. Then. I wish I could have shared my food with my subscribers. See the thing there, man. Thumbs up. Oh my God, people. Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up, man. I feel good in the evening, man. Please. I'm going to cheer me up with some thumbs up, my people. Please. Cheer up with some thumbs up and some subscribe. Please. My spirit is down because I lost my mother yesterday. So please. Join the live, people. If you just join, I'm eating oxtail, rice and peas. Okay? Oxtail with butter bean. And some nice, lovely rice and peas. Real nice, me I tell my people. Real nice. And I eat them food and I want to finish, you know. Because I have to have my hand in the food, you know, people, because I tell you. I have to have my hand in it, I can't cut the bone, you know. So, Oxtail, I said, what? Rice and peas, I said, what? My people, if you want to cook some food, you want to talk to me, man. Some nice Jamaican food. Talk to me. Tell me what is what.
Italian stallion. Ask her where she's from. She says she just finished her breakfast.
Whoa. Where you from?
Italian stallion.
Italian stallion, where you from? Where are you from?
Just finished her breakfast. Michaela said hello. North, Borneo. North Borneo, you know that river.
Hello to you too, man.
Oh, she said North Borneo, but I don't know where that is.
Oh my God, I don't know where that is. I don't know where that is. Makila, hello. Good evening. I don't know where you are, my friend, but please stay safe.
This is a Google. Said, yeah, I get your Google.
Okay, I'll check it out. I will check it out and see where you're at. I will check it out. Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up a like.
Press the thumbs up button, please. I don't know the thing go. Without your support with the thumbs up button and the like and the share and the subscribe, can't reach. If it depends on you guys now, I ask you so generously, please and thanks. No me love you no guys. No me love you no. I don't know. Because I want no subscription or no thumbs up or anything. Genuine love, you know? Because that is me. That's who I am. If it just join it, already soon finished, but I can't tell you what I'm eating. Oxtail, and rice and peas, some nice vegetable. I finished vegetable already. Dep on the finishing now with the oxtail and the rice and peas. You understand, people? So please, just thumbs up, man. If it just join, you can watch it over again. You know? You can go back and watch it again, alright? Please. Support the thing, people. Support the thing. I know the thing go. So I beg on the support because we are on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So we are halfway support for us right up there. You know? I know the thing go. One help one, each one help one. Please and thanks my people. See that piece now? And I do it. Juicy and nice people. Oh Lord, man. Then a person will go for them for beef and them something, but not tell them people. Really nice people. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Woo. People, I'm not craving, but I can't help it. And food nice, it's nice, you know? Touch the thumbs up button, please. Give me the support now, man. This is me about everything, yeah? That's really nice. My God. Thank you. Touch the thumbs up button, my people. Touch the thumbs up button, please. My people, I get a piece of fish. No deal little. No waste of time. I get a piece of fish and I deal it right away. We're not afraid. See how we are eating. Big finger I do it. And I'm just saying, big pants. Big finger I do it. Touch the thumbs up on my people. You just join, we finish eat. Oxtail, rice and peas, some nice vegetable on the side, you know. So, I don't know anything come down. But if you just join, you can still watch it over back, you can still give me the thumbs up same way. You don't know anything of people. I love and respect and joy, you know. It's an honor to have you people here with me. I really love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm not saying this because anything. I really do love people. Yeah, that's me, you know. Here's my nice sour wine. Nice sour drink here. Whoa. Ah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Still, I'm thanking you guys for support me all through and still asking for support whenever I come on the live. Still asking for the support, you know. Still doing my thing. I'm gonna try and do some other content, but you know, just time to the thing. Just bear with me and soon see a lot of content fun. You know, I cook as well and the channel, like you have my cooking channel and everything. You understand? So just bear with me, man. I don't know. New to the thing, but you know, we are doing thing. I still ask for the support, so don't know the thing go. Blessing, man. God bless you all and keep you, you know. May the Lord guide and protect you people. You know, in everywhere you step, everywhere you go, you're coming in and you're going out. Lord guide and protect you, you know. So bless upon yourself again, people. Give thanks. Who joined the line and who not joined the live, still give thanks. Thank you. Bye.